In California, at a pretrial conference, typically there are three things that occur: plea negotiations, the exchange of discovery, and the hearing of motions. When people hear the term pretrial conference, the term itself makes you think that it's just a hearing prior to trial. That's really not the case. Pretrial conferences are extremely important. They set the tone for the litigation. They set the tone among lawyers. They set the tone for the client to understand that this is a serious matter that cannot be taken lightly. At pretrial conferences, we try to do three things. One of the things that we'll do is discuss the matter with the district attorney and oftentimes with the court in an attempt to resolve the matter. The court certainly favors early resolutions of matters, and pretrial conferences are a great opportunity to resolve cases. Second thing that we like to do at pretrial conferences, and often we'll do on behalf of our clients, is exchange discovery with the district attorney. Discovery is a process where the DA has to provide us with information that the police have gathered on their behalf through police reports and through witness statements. We have an opportunity to review those and request additional discovery at any point up until the time of trial. We will often advise the district attorney's office and provide them discovery that we have undertaken through our own independent investigation of the matter, utilizing state licensed private investigators who are oftentimes retired police officials. For example, we use a retired chief of police to assist us in our own investigation, with the understanding that we gathered additional information the DA was not aware of, and that will help facilitate a resolution or a dismissal in the matter. And finally, one of the most important aspects of pretrial conferences is their ability to put on motions to suppress, pitches motions where we're asking to have the court take a look at a certain police officer's personnel records to see if in fact they've been accused of excessive force in the past, if they've been accused of dishonesty, if they've been accused of falsifying a police report. And in that regard, one of the things that we like to do is every DUI case we have, for example, we'll scan the police reports of all the police officers that are involved in that case. We then keep them in a central computer bank at the office. We break them down by agency and officer name. We will then compare those reports side by side to future reports by that officer on new client cases to see if in fact the officer, instead of independently docking information, is simply cutting and pasting the information. I'm Mike Scaffidi, a retired police officer and now a criminal defense attorney with Schaus Law Group. If you or a loved one are in trouble and need help, call me.